Hi, welcome little chess champs. Today we are learning about pawns, the brave little piece that move forward one step at a time. Get ready to dive into their special move and find out why they are so important. So this is an example. So moving two squares or one square. Pawn have a unique move on their very first move. They can choose to go either one or two square forward on its first move if it wants. So double move is optional. For white side, queen side, knight pawn. Now we are going to make two square forward on its first move. On the other hand, the black king knight pawn, now we are going to move one square forward on its first move. So see how the different pawn can move differently. So after their first move, all pawns can move one square forward at a time. Pawns move step by step as they travel across the board. Watch how the pawn from queen rook file and king file make their way access the board. So one square at a time from their starting position at their end. So it is coming like this. So another example, sometimes a pawn can't move forward because there is another piece right in front of it. When this happens, the pawn is blocked and can't move ahead. So this means pawn must wait until the space in front of it is free. So pawn can't jump over the piece. So you can see in the example, so all pawns are blocked. No way to move further. So what is the big goal for each pawn? Their mission, the pawn mission is to reach the other end of the board. So black pawn to reach this end, white pawn to reach other end. One step at a time. Pawn get closer and closer to the other side. If they make it all way across, they can even be promoted to a powerful new piece like a queen. So promotion of pawn we will take in next chapter. The more you play, the more you will see pawns as important piece on their journey across the board. Great job, little chess champs. Now you know how pawn moves and how they play a crucial part in your chess game. Keep practicing and remember, pawns are just as important as any other piece on the board. Stay tuned for more fun and helpful lesson in chess, and don't forget to keep learning, practicing and playing. You have got this, future grandmasters.